Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to download all of your files in Google Drive at once. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Google Drive website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your Google account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you will be able to see all of the files that you have in your Google Drive. As you can see here, I have under suggested, I can see all of my recently opened files. Here I have my folders where I can see folders where I have grouped my files into them. And if I scroll down even a bit more, I can see all of my files that aren't grouped into any folder. But yeah guys, let's go back to the top of the page, and the first thing we want to do guys, to be able to download all of these files at once without downloading them one by one, is going right here into the upper right corner and click on your profile picture. After clicking on your profile picture guys, now this will open up this new menu where you'll see that you have an option called manage your Google account, and you want to go ahead and click on that. After clicking on that guys, this will now open up this new page, this new tab where you'll be able to see again multiple options. And if you look at the left side of the screen, you'll see multiple options that you have. We want to choose this one called data and privacy. After clicking on data privacy guys, now you will again be greeted by this main page, and here under your data and privacy options, we want to select this option right here called data from apps and services you use. So guys, go ahead and click on that, and this will bring you to this part of the page where you'll be able to see these options, and you want to click on this option right here, download or delete your data, and you want to select download your data. So guys, go ahead and click on download your data, and this will now open up again a new page where you can select whatever you want to download. So guys, you can see guys, all of my options are selected. I'm going to deselect all, and then I'm going to go ahead and find Google Drive. Here in my Google Drive option, I'm going to check it, and now it will only download my Google Drive. So after selecting that guys, we can go ahead and click on next, and now we just select where we want to get the download link, and if we want you to zip it or whatever we want to make it, just select your options. After that guys, you can go ahead and click on create export, and this will create a new link where you'll be able to download all of your Google Drive files which you can use. So yeah guys, that's how you do it basically. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.